I'm still here in Plano, Texas. This is the world headquarters of Toyota, and Toyota is introducing a new color called Wavemaker, which is exclusive to Toyota Racing Development. Let's take a look at it because, for example, I really like it on the Tacoma, but I'm not sure if I like it on everything that's Pro. Let's go for a ride. You guys will give me your opinion on what you think and what you don't think. But Wavemaker, he makes waves. A new deep blue color that's designed to inspire adventures, but also to inspire your energy. Hey, let's start here. We start with the Tacoma. I really like it on the Tacoma because the Tacoma has that spirit that I call adventurous. It's compact with a kind of youthful spirit in whatever it does. And one important thing, it goes really well with the color black. Now, when I look at it against matte black or glossy black, it looks much better with matte black, even though this color shines quite a lot. They left the door handles and kept them black, the side mirrors too. And what about the fenders? We're good with this one. Let's check out the Tundra and see what we think about the Tundra. Available exclusively for Tacoma, Tundra, Forerunner, and Sequoia. I like the Tundra, but not as much anymore because I consider it. Even if it's the Toyota Racing Development Pro, like this one we have here, it's already a truck that a lot of people use for work. That Tacoma Toyota Racing Development Pro is in many adventures. I see it when I go off-roading, I always see it. This one I see more in work sites. So I'm not sure if I prefer this blue on the Tundra. What do you guys think? Yes, no, maybe, perhaps. It will be available starting in fall 2025. This was developed by Toyota's design team, which is called Calty. The fenders here aren't shiny, unlike on the Tacoma, which has shiny fenders. I like that touch, you know, because the Russian is a black color with stripes like a zebra, but they're not very visible. And it doesn't shine here, it doesn't shine there. I mean, I think the shine should have been removed from the Tacoma, and they could have left it on this one since they added shine, right? This is an $8,000 drone. Super impressive. This ultra compact drone that follows you wherever you go. It has recording mode, 8,000 advanced tracking modes, and an accessory combo. And with all these accessories, this becomes the ultimate tool for content creators like you and me. The build quality is extremely high, despite being so compact. And this material is called Gen material. It's a highly elastic material and it's lighter than carbon fiber. It's awesome, as I like to say. Listen, it's very important to note that you don't need to be a professional pilot or have any license to learn how to use it. Content creation is crucial for content creators. 3 modes are quite good, including landscape mode, which greatly optimizes landscapes. It has hover cine, so you can have a cinematic loop, and high dynamic range for high dynamic range. When working with colors, high dynamic range is also present. These are modes here on the drone, and it works in temperatures down to 20 degrees below zero. Of course, it's ideal for snow or for what are called extreme environments. The beacon is a modular joystick that allows you to control the drone up to 1 kilometer away. With a 1.78-inch organic light emitting diode screen, you measure the screen because you're monitoring everything in real time. With this, you can change the flight modes and even return home. The propellers are completely super protected, so it's very safe to fly indoors, fly near people and everything. Nothing is going to happen to anyone, absolutely. The body is very aerodynamic. The design is super optimized to reach high speeds, okay? It reaches a speed of around 26 mph, give or take. Auto follow involves following people engaged in activities like cycling, walking, running, or hiking. It has also undergone rigorous testing. At 40 degrees, 70 C, it drops from heights like a small battle drone, just to give you an idea. It withstands wind gusts up to 37 mph, 60 km/h, okay? This reaches an altitude of 18,000 feet, 5,500 meters, 10 intelligent flight modes. These are some of them. Uber, the bird's eye view, the orbit tracking, which gives you 360, the dolly zoom, the selfie, the return to the beacon. The beacon is like the signal where it returns. The skiing mode optimized for snow, for low temperatures, smooth tracking, okay? Smooth tracking on skis or a skateboard, night tracking in low light conditions at night, intelligent tracking on any terrain, which means water, snow, mountain, city, anywhere. it has what's called Air Hover Link, which greatly improves the signal strength using the beacon. After testing it, I can tell you that this Hover Air Pro Max is a spectacular product. This intelligent drone is perfect for content creators like you. It will record you smartly. Are you going to tell me something? But they say that with this color, you'll develop intense emotions and you'll want to explore unknown places. Do we associate that with this color, or are we just imagining things? Oh God, the color isn't bad. I like it. I already told you, in some things yes, in others no. And a Latino is involved in all of this, whose name is Benjamin Jimenez, and he's a designer for Calty over in Ann Arbor, Michigan. He says that this color represents a spirit that connects you with a glacier. And he's right. The glaciers are blue, which may not connect me with other horizons as described, but it does when I look at a glacier. Like the sea, especially glaciers with their large submerged blue tinted sections. Perhaps the inspiration for the name, who knows? I enjoy the Forerunner, but I'm uncertain about the Sequoia because even the large black word Sequoia here seems a bit too flashy for my liking, but I'm not sure what you all think. The Forerunner's sporty, extreme, off-road nature didn't bother me. I see the Sequoia as something more elegant for the family and that kind of thing. I'm not the biggest fan of this color on this one. This is the 11th edition of that great color tradition that started with the Toyota Racing Development PROs. In 2015, I really liked others in all of them, but this one only in some. The first color in 2015 was called the Shade. This is the best time to ask you to subscribe to my channel. It's Sunday and I'm almost alone here. At Toyota's world headquarters, I'm simply being escorted around without seeing anyone. But I get that exclusive access thanks to you subscribing to my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for doing it. You already know. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about the color. Would you buy it or not? And if you do, which one would you choose? Look at this deserted place because it's Sunday. Companies are beginning to mandate employees return to the office 3 days per week. After COVID, everything was left empty. But who would have thought I'd be here now? Alone? Where everything is born, in the house where all the Toyo Bobos are born. I'm here. See you.